This tutorial review will show you how to schedule Facebook post from mobile. So first of all, let's schedule a Facebook post from Facebook page. So open your Facebook page and I'm gonna writing something here. And then tap on next at the top right. Tap on scheduling option. Select schedule for later. And now select the date you want to post and tap on save. Tap on back at the top left. Tap on post. And this is how you can schedule a Facebook post from Facebook page. And now let's see how you can schedule a Facebook post from Facebook group. So I'm gonna opening my group. So I'm gonna opening my group. I'm gonna write something here and tapping on schedule. And now select the date you want to post. Tap on save. Tap on schedule. And this is how we can schedule Facebook post from mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.